days, I work as cultural ambassador in Vietnam. After graduation, I found a job I love with my confidence in English. I have been working as a tour guide, so my dream of being a cultural ambassador has also come true. I meet exciting visitors from many countries around the world every day, and I am so proud to take them to many places. Share with them our culture, history, nation, and Vietnamese people. Each passing day is an enjoyable experience for me. I am gradually becoming proficient in my work, and I am grateful to travel to many places. And I see that the more time I spend exploring new land, the more love I have for my homeland, and am proud of being Vietnamese.